your life. Last month, my father just recently died because of a heart attack, and it was during my pageant on Paramata na Sultan Kudarat. But I've always instilled in myself ang istorya sa akong papa na padayon lang jud. Ayaw undang o apilog pageant unless dili ka kasulod sa national pageant. Sige na nakagbarangay na, dapat dito na po ka sa nationals. And moto naka-realize ko nga dapat maningkamot yun ka. And I failed so many times already. This is my second time joining the Miss Zamboanga World, and I was not able to be on the top 3 finalists. But today, in 2025, I was now able to wear this crown with humility and courage. So ayaw undang. So ayaw undang, guys, unsa man inyong pangandoy kay kadugayan makaabot ra gyud namin.